everybody, and welcome to another episode of Peach Cheap. Today I've received something in the mail. A little box. I wonder what it is. I think I know what it is. So let's go and check what we've received today. As you know, as I'm jeeping, I like to take pictures and videos. Anybody that knows me knows that, even when I travel or anything else. So I've ordered myself a little gift. So let's see what it is. Oh ho ho! Look at that. So let's see what's in here. And why is a drone video being shown on a Jeep channel? Well, as a lot of Jeep enthusiasts that like to film and document their outings, drones are becoming more and more of a tool to get those nice shots as we go along the trail, or just magnificent shots that we can get from landscapes, which never give it justice, of course. But this is going to be a great tool for jeeping, for my kind of jeeping, which is documenting nice sceneries and nice experience with all friends and family that come along. So let's open this. Okay, I don't want to rip it. There you go. That should be good. I've been waiting for this forever. I've never filmed an unboxing before, although that I did film the not the review, but the trial I was giving my Contixo F22 drone earlier this year, which is a great little drone for the price. I mean, but it's just that the stability of the image. This as a three-way gyro, as the Contixo F22 doesn't. So hopefully this will be the drone for me. I could have gone to a Mavic Pro or any other bigger models, but the thing is, to be able to film in Canada, to be able to film without restrictions or very minimal. In Canada, the laws for droning right now is if it's if your drone is under 250 grams, then the only law that applies is you shall not fly it in a manner that jeopardizes other people's safety. It is a law that can be interpreted in many ways, but is not as restricting. If I want a larger drone, well, the larger drone, I would need my advanced, which I will take eventually to get to a bigger drone with more options. But for now, this at least will be able to fill in a gap between the time I get my between now and the time I get my advanced training and certificate. So let's see what's in here. So this is it for the box itself. Now, what's in here? Oh, I guess. Okay, if we start with the main, attraction, which is a DJI Mavic Mini. Nice sturdy box. There it is. Wow. All right. So I thought it would have been white. I guess it's more of a grayish. Very small, very so Mini. This is a multiple battery charger, 3 bays, which should be very practical. This is the controller, which is quite heavy, so feels like good quality. I like the smell of new stuff, don't you? What is this? Let's see. Okay, these are different connections for different types of phones. Now this, we have props. This is a little screwdriver to remove the props. This is to plug the connect the Mavic Mini. The other one is probably to connect the controller before recharging. Just at the same time, every time I buy something, I like to go through the all the pieces. I like to get them out, put them up front, see what I have or what I don't have, what's missing. We have the controller. Everything is well packaged. Everything is sealed and I guess accounted for with those little QR codes. There you go. And it's pretty, and it's a quick, like 2 shots, 2 turns, 2 twists, and they're on there solid. Nice. This is for the tablet, the cell phone, whatever you want to connect. It goes pretty wide. Oh, you got that? Okay, so here are the control knobs. That's where they're hiding. So these would be extras in case you break or lose one. Nice. So extras. So you break one, you have to order one online. I'm sure it must be around $10–20 shipping and all that. So again, it adds value to the Fly More combo. All of these, if you order other articles of the Mavic Mini separately, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. So these are these are the 3 batteries. These batteries are pretty small. They have to be small, otherwise you're looking at more weight, and then it goes over the 250 gram limit. In Canada, we go with the same weight limit to factor in if you need your license, your permit to operate. Just like in the States. But I'm sure there are different laws and different rules depending on where you live. You might have local laws as well, bylaws, provincial laws, state laws, county laws. So make sure that you look it up before flying your drone, because these some of these fines can be pretty hefty. Now what is this? Oh, okay, I think this is the wall connection. Okay, it says DJI on it, so nice. Some of the laws out there can be very different from one country to the next, and actually one city to the next. So make sure that you do look it up before flying. What is this? That's probably the paperwork. Yeah, owner's manual, Fly More quick start guide. It's the first time I purchased a DJI product, and I'm not too familiar with the writing, the language. Not sure if it's a really good English or if it's sometimes it's translated without the proper translations. I see that a lot in French, from English to French. Obviously with this accent, you know I'm a francophone, proud French Canadian guy. Okay, so these are the the prop guards. Makes it safer to fly inside if you do, because you don't want to hit your props. Because I've seen people fly their Mavic Mini inside and performs well. Now if you do, these are it's so light, but if you put them on, then your weight is over 250 grams. If you do get that license or that certification, depending on where you live, then you can add all of these other items or add-ons to your Mavic Mini. This is about what you get. Now these, so you remove all these stickers. This is the battery bay. So again, very well packaged. Another prop sticker underneath. Then this is the camera with the gimbal, 3-axis gimbal. Well, ça va bien, ça va bien. So, what is this? Unfold front arms forward, and then unfold rear arms downwards. Downwards. Oh, okay. So down, and these go. Hold on. Yeah, first of all, you gotta do the front ones first. Yeah, so that's why there's a 1 and there's a 2. Again, I would suggest read up the quick start guide, which I'm gonna do after this unboxing. Just wanted to see how. Oh, nice. My Contixo F22 unfolds forward and backwards, and this one is downwards for the back props, the back arms. So this is it. And I guess for when you fly, there you go. Oh yeah, nice little camera. So this is a protector. There you go, Mavic Mini. So this is the Fly More combo. The neat little case, but your mind will rest assured that your Mavic Mini will be safe. Now they have a little card here with some basic safety features or safety tips, and also a QR code. I guess you scan with your phone, your tablet, which will get you with more information on the Mavic Mini, some warranty instructions and documentation, a little introduction to the Mavic Mini Fly More combo. Here is the quick start guide. Tells you on how how to put the props, how to open up your Mavic Mini, where to put the battery, etc., etc. Okay, some installation instructions for the prop guards and for your multi-battery charger. And this is the owner's manual in all types of languages. Am I gonna read this? I should. Will I? I doubt. But again, will I read this or go on the website? I think I'll go on the website. There you go. Unboxing of my brand new DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. So shout out to all you drone enthusiasts and also Jeep enthusiasts, because this is going to be, I think, a great tool. The only thing this doesn't do, it doesn't have the follow me feature. The Contixo F22 supposedly has it, works a bit. I still have to work at it, and now I'm not even sure if I will pursue that. I just sell it, especially if I have, for the image quality, the difference. For what I want to do, I think I'll stick with the Mavic Mini. But the Contixo is a great startup drone. Actually, this is considered a startup drone as well, a beginner's drone. I consider myself a beginner. And also throughout the next Jeep season, I'll be documenting and filming a lot of nice scenery and nice Jeep outings. So thanks for tagging along, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trails. So I'm Pete from Peace Jeep, and I wish you all the best.